Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video we are going to discuss about the annual session of the Indian National Congress. In this video we will also learn when Indian National Congress was formed and who presided different sessions of INC held at different places of our country. Moving forward, the Indian National Congress was formed in 1885. Lord Dufferin was the Viceroy of British India when the party was formed. The first Conference of Representatives was convened on December 25, 1885 by the Union of Pune, but the meeting was later decided to be held in Bombay. The meeting took place from December 28 to 31st in Bombay Gokuldas Tejpal Sanskrit College. Bhumesh Chandra Banerjee was the president of the first session of the Indian National Congress. Total 72 delegates from all parts of the country took part in the session. As we discussed earlier, the first session of INC took place at Bombay on 28 December 1885 and the session was presided by W.C. Banerjee. It was the first session and was attended by 72 delegates. The objective of Congress was outlined in this session. The second session of the INC took place on 28 December 1986 at Calcutta. This session was presided by Dadabhai Naoroji and this session was attended by 436 delegates. This session witnessed the merger of National Congress and National Conference. The third session of INC took place from 27 to 28 December 1887 at Madras and this session was presided by Sir Syed Badruddin Tayyabji. He was the first Muslim president of the INC. This session was attended by 607 delegates and an appeal has been made to the Muslims to join hands with other national leaders. The fourth session of the INC took place from 28 to 29 December 1888 at Allahabad. This session was presided by George Dewey, who was the first English president of INC. This session was attended by 1248 delegates. Moving forward, the fifth session of INC took place from 27 to 28 December 1889 at Bombay. This session was presided by Sir William Wedderburn. The sixth session of INC took place from 28 to 29 December 1890 at Calcutta. This session was presided by Firoz Shah Mehta. The seventh session of INC took place from 26 to 27 December 1891 at Nagpur and this session was presided by P. Anand Charlu. The eighth session of INC took place from 28 to 29 December 1892 at Allahabad and this session was again presided by Bhumesh Chandra Banerjee. The ninth session of INC took place from 27 to 28 December 1893 at Lahore and this session was presided by Dadabhai Naoroji. The 10th session of INC took place from 27th to 28th December 1894 at Madras and this session was presided by Alfred Webb. The 11th session of INC took place from 28 to 29 December 1895 at Pune and this session was presided by Surendranath Banerjee. The 12th session of INC took place from 27th to 28th December 1896 at Calcutta. This session was presided by Rahmatullah Sayani. The national song Vande Mataram was sung for the first time by Rabindranath Tagore in this session. Moving forward, the 13th session of INC took place from 22nd to 29 December 1897 at Amravati. This session was presided by C. Shankaran Nair. The 14th session of the INC took place from 27 to 28 December 1898 at Madras and this session was presided by Anand Mohan Bose. The 15th session of INC took place from 27 to 28 December 1899 at Lucknow and this session was presided by Romesh Chandra Dutt. The demand for the permanent fixation of land revenue was there in this session. The 16th session took place from 27 to 29 December 1900 at Lahore and this session was presided by N.G. Chandravarkar. The 17th session of the INC took place from 27 to 28 December 1901 at Calcutta and this session was presided by Dilshaw-e-Wacha and this was the first session when Gandhiji appeared on the Congress platform. This was the first time when Gandhiji appeared on this platform. So the 18th session took place from 23rd 26 December 1902 at Ahmedabad, and this session was presided by Surendranath Banerjee. The 19th session took place from 28 to 30 December 1903 at Madras, and this session was presided by Lal Mohan Ghosh. The 20th session of INC This 20th session of INC took place from 26 to 28 December 1904 at Bombay, and this session was presided by Henry Cotton. 21st session of INC took place from 27 to 30 December 1905 at Benares, and this session was presided by Gopal Krishna Gokhale. In this session, they expressed resentment against the partition of Bengal and formal proclamation of Swadeshi movement against the government. The 22nd session of INC took place from 26 to 29 December 1906 at Calcutta. This session was presided by Dadabhai Nauroji. In this session, they adopted the 4 resolutions, that is on Swaraj, that is self-government, boycott movement, Swadeshi, and national education. Moving forward, the 23rd session of INC took place from 26 to 27 December 1907 at Surat. This session was presided by Ras Bihari Ghosh. In this session, there was a split in the Congress, that is between the moderates and the extremists. The 24th session of INC took place from 29 to 30 December 1908 at Madras. This session was presided by Ras Bihari Ghosh, and in this session the constitution of the Congress was drawn. The 25th session of INC took place from 27 to 29 December 1909 at Lahore, and this session was presided by Madan Mohan Malviya. In this session, they expressed disapproval for over formation of separate electorates on the basis of religion. The next session of INC took place from 28 to 29 December 1910 at Allahabad, and this session was presided by Sir William Wedderburn. In this session, M.A. Jinnah decried the separate electorate system introduced by the Act of 1909. The 27th session of INC took place from 26 to 28 December 1911 at Calcutta. This session was presided by B.N. Dhar, and in this session for the first time the recital of Jan Gan Man in Congress session can be seen. The 28th session of INC took place from 26 to 28 December 1912 at Bankipur. This session was presided by R.N. Madholkar. The 29th session of INC took place from December 1913 at Karachi. This session was presided by Sayyid Muhammad. The 30th session of INC took place from 26 to 28 December 1914 at Madras, and this session was presided by Bhupendra Nath Basu. The next session took place at Bombay from 27 to 30 December 1950, and this session was presided by Sir S.P. Sinha. The constitution of the Congress was altered to admit the delegates from the extremist session. Moving forward, the next session took place at Lucknow from 26 to 30 December 1960, and this session was presided by A.C. Majumdar. In this session, the unity between the two fractions, that is the moderate and extremist of Congress, can be seen. And there was a pact, that is the Lucknow Pact was signed between the Congress and the Muslim League to build political consensus. The next session of INC took place from 23rd to 29 December 1917 at Calcutta. This session was presided by Annie Besant, and she was the first woman president of the Congress. Moving forward, the next session, that is 34th session of the INC, took place from 26 to 31st December 1918 at Delhi, and this session was presided by Madan Mohan Malviya. The 35th session of INC took place from 27 to 28 December 1919 at Amritsar. This session was presided by Motilal Nehru, and in this session they strongly condemned the Jallianwala Bagh massacre, and the Congress extended their support to Khilafat movement. Moving forward, the 36th session of INC took place from 26 to 31st December 1920 at Nagpur, and this session was presided by C. Vijay Raghavacharya. In this session, the reconstitution of Working Committee of Congress on linguistic biases linguistic basis, and M.A. Jinnah left the Indian National Congress. The 37th session of INC took place from 27 to 28 December 1921 at Ahmedabad. In this session, the president was Mr. C.R. Das, but because he was in prison at that time, so the acting president was Mr. Hakim Ajmal Khan. The 38th session of INC took place from 26 to 31st December 1922 at Gaya, and this session was presided by C.R. Das. C.R. Das and other leaders broke away from the INC in this session, and there was a formation of Swaraj Party. The next session of INC took place at Kakinada from 26 to 31st December 1923, and this session was presided by Maulana Muhammad Ali. The 40th session of INC took place from 26 to 27 December 1924 at Belgaum. This session was presided by M.K. Gandhi, and this was the only session presided over by Mahatma Gandhi. Very, very important point. The only session, that is the session of the Belgaum. Moving forward, the next session of INC took place at Kanpur from 26 to 28 December 1925. In this session was presided by Sarojini Naidu, and she was the first Indian woman president of INC. Also an important point, the 42nd session of INC took place at Guwahati from 26 to 28 December 1926, and this session was presided by S. Srinivas Iyengar. The 43rd session of INC took place from 26 to 27 December 1927. This session was presided by Dr. M.A. Ansari, and in this session an independence resolution was adopted and resolved to boycott the Simon Commission. The next session of INC took place at Calcutta from 28 to 31st December 1928. This session was presided by Motilal Nehru, and in this session there was a formation of All India Youth Congress. The 45th session of INC took place at Lahore from 29 to 31st December 1929. This session was presided by Jawaharlal Nehru. In this session, they passed the resolution of Poorna Swaraj and also authorized the working committee to launch the civil disobedience program. Moving forward, the next session of INC took place at Karachi, that is on 29 December 1931. This session was presided by Vallabhbhai Patel, and in this session the endorsement of Gandhi-Irwin Pact, resolution on fundamental rights and national economic program was passed. The 47th session of Indian National Congress took place at Delhi on 24th April 1932. This session was presided by Amrit Ranchhodar Seth. The 48th session of INC took place on 1st April 1933 at Calcutta, and this session was presided by Nellie Sengupta. The 49th session of INC took place from 26 to 28 October 1934 at Bombay, and this session was presided by Dr. Rajendra Prasad. The 50th session of INC took place from 12 to 14 April 1936 at Lucknow. In this session, the president was Jawaharlal Nehru, and the president urged the Congress to adopt socialism as its goal. The next session of the INC took place at Faizpur from 27 to 28 December 1936, and this session the president was Mr. Jawaharlal Nehru, and this was the first session to be held in a village. The next session of the INC took place at Haripura from 19 to 21st February 1938. In this session, the president was Subhash Chandra Bose. In this session, National Planning Committee was set up under the chairmanship of Jawaharlal Nehru. The next session took place at Tripuri on 10th March 1939. In this session, the president was Subhash Chandra Bose, but he had to resign, and in his place Mr. Rajendra Prasad was appointed. Subhash Chandra Bose formed the forward bloc. The next session took place at Ramgarh from 17th to 19th March 1940, and this session was presided by Abul Kalam Azad. In this session, the civil disobedience movement to be launched at appropriate time and circumstances. Moving forward, from 1941 to 1945, This period is marked by events like Quit India Movement, Rin Mutiny, INA trials, the phase of constitutional negotiations such as Scrip Submission, Wavell Plan and Cabinet Mission, and on account of these events during this phase no Congress session was held. Next Congress session was held at Meerut on 23rd November 1946. In this session, the president was Mr. J.B. Kripalani. This was the last session before independence, and J.B. Kripalani was the president of INC during the transfer of power from Britain to India. The next Congress session, that is after independence, took place at Jaipur from 18th to 19 December 1948, and this session was presided by Patabi Sitaramaiah. So this was all about today's video. If you liked the video, then please do like and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.